Unexpected.
How are you?
Wow, Wally, serious?
Hi.
Yes, brother. Hi. How
Where are you from?
Afghanistan.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Korean, but I'm living in Japan.
Walaikum assalam. Assalam.
Oh, what living? What living? Germany?
Japan?
जापान
I live
Japan.
in
Hi.
Japan.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम लड़की कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आप कैसे हो कैसे जा रहा है रमजान
Hi,
मैं भी ठीक हूँ,
Fuzia.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रमजान।
हाय रमजान मुबारक एवरीवन
रमजान आपको भी मुबारक। कैसे हो? जिंदगी कैसे चलता है?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत अच्छा अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
Language. You what language?
Sweet, just see.
He's asking you which
Kef wala. You what language? SIMMY.
Simi?
What language?
I
Simi
can
what language?
English?
English good thank you Ahmed
Yeah, I can speak English.
Me like English later better.
Oh, okay.
Later
Marhaba,
better, okay?
kifak?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
مرحبا. كيف حالك?
Oh, I don't know. I only know a little bit. I have some Lebanese friends.
You girls. सुनो मेरी आवाज। Sammy,
Yeah?
you girls?
yes we are girls yes
Sammy, you
I'm a
girls?
girl. Yeah.
You single?
Yeah. Why?
You want a boyfriend? MR.
You wanna what?
I'm brother.
Mr. Black?
You want a brother?
Oh, do I wanna? No. No. What?
Come my side. Come.
He said where woon je? Ik woon in Japan. Ik woon in Japan.
actually he's flirting with you on the screen
Oh my gosh.
yeah and he is the best eligible bachelor on the TikTok
Wow.
Waliullah is the best option for you.
Say brother. Why?
No, hey, this comment ignore. Wallah me or you part. This comment ignore.
Many people told
Ignore,
me
ignore,
say.
please. No. My people big problem. My people have kitna dana problem. You know my kitna dana problem. Hey, my people be
Why?
10%.
Fuzia, please help me explain, please.
Because
What happened?
you are the beautiful girl with English language and that's the reason he will not leave you so easy.
Oh.
Yes, see, he
Yes.
said yes.
You this comment ignore. Waliullah brother, Waliullah my
Is it
friend. This
Wali
comment
brother,
ignore.
Wali king, Wali brother, Wali king?
So sorry.
Nahi, King be ignore. Brother be ignore. This is my wonder. This another people, 10% people, my love. 2% kuni admi go to girls speaking.
Haters.
Brother. Jealous wala.
Haters.
Are there haters?
Yeah, they are the haters.
Oh, okay. And Fuzia, you're in Dubai.
Allah double.
Let's go!
Nice. I never went to Dubai before, so I want to go one day.
Please, whenever you come, be my guest. I should.
Can I ask something? You know, during a Ramadan, do you say Happy Ramadan or
Ramadan Kareem. Ramadan Kareem.
Happy Ramadan.
Ramadan Kareem?
Ramadan Kareem.
And it's
Yes.
Eid Mubarak is afterwards?
No.
Yes, Eid Mubarak. Eid.
Ramadan.
After Ramadan, right?
That's basically the celebration of
Yes.
people fasting.
Yeah, afterwards, right? Like to congratulations.
Hey, Sami, you big guns, big.
One more, please. This
Why laughing?
Wait, Wally, come back.
Wally.
Come back, Wally. One more
Wally
time.
come?
Just
You want
one
to
time. I
come?
want to
Why Wally
see
come?
this one. One more, please.
Hey,
उसको आप
दुश्मन तो बेटे. दुश्मन को उर्दू में क्या इंग्लिश में क्या बोलता है?
Yeah, elephant. One time.
Elephant बोलता है दुश्मन को.
दुश्मन को क्या बोलता है? You enemy.
Yeah, we're.
Yes.
But our point is so different. Oh my God.
Badranga. Hi. غولو ته دې ځان مرګ کې
Is this bad? Maybe this is bad
you know
word.
God guys
No, no, no.
Everybody, please, you know, it's like a Ramadan, so please, I don't want to be disrespectful, so don't teach me, don't say a bad word,
ما
please.
شرمېږي د سړي زامن ښه hey 1 minute
Please,
سارے لیکے
everybody,
یہ
please, no haram here, okay?
1 minute guys hey هغه تاسو ته وی وادي ورید چې روجه دا غلط کمنټ مکوئ تاسو د سړي ځامن ورځي کمنټ ورته کوئ هغه انګریزي د پته ورته شته دي چې
Fuzia, what, your
غلطي خبرې نه کوي.
content,
this
like influencer, what are you doing? What kind of content do you have?
I have women empowerment going in UAE.
Oh, I love that so much. I followed you, so I'm going to check
Yes,
your
I'm
content
following
too.
that. My pleasure.
Oh, I love that so much. Actually, my stream is mostly women. I have a mostly women viewer, so
you Muslim
Work it out.
me? No,
Yes.
I'm like just
مو دا باروتی سر دي نو تاسو د سړي